Hello there. The husband is hungry, so I decided to make him some quick turkey roll-ups, and I thought I'd show you how to make them too. They're done with my all-time favorite Mama Lupes low-carb tortillas, and I just have some turkey breast that's sliced. This is from Costco. I get the low-sodium one, and this is cream cheese whipped, but you can use the other one. I think the whipped is a little bit easier to work with. And you put a layer of it down onto your tortilla. I always used to make the mistake with the avocado and just slice it and put it on there, but then you take a bite and it all falls out. Is I take the avocado out and then I use a fork to mash it up, and so like it's really flat on there and it sticks, and it kind of sticks into the cream cheese. That's my little secret tip of the day. And then you just pick it up and lay it right on top of that cream cheese. For the turkey, I do 2 slices, but you could probably do 1. And you could use Swiss cheese if you don't want to use cream cheese. And you could put tomatoes if you don't want to use avocado, but they're only so big, so you can't like put 10 different things in there. But you could do a Mexican, like with some chicken and some salsa. You can make anything in there. Wrap it up, keeping it as tight as you can. And then when you get to the end, just take a little bit of butter and rub it right here, and it'll make it stick. Just slice it maybe 4 times. These would be even nice to bring to a party because they're really pretty. You could put something red on there, like a pepper or voila, lunch for the husband. Thanks for watching.